Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Diwali special recipe. Today we'll prepare Murukku, a South Indian snack without which Diwali is incomplete. It is known as Chakkli in North India. Let's list out the ingredients. Black gram skinned 1 cup. Rice powder 3 cups. Butter 1 tablespoon. Cumin, asafoetida, black sesame seeds, chilli powder. Now let's get into the method. Heat the pan, add black gram to it and stir fry till it starts releasing aroma. Once it cools, put it in a mixer and blend it well to make it into a fine powder. Now empty it into a container. Add rice powder to it. Add butter. Mix it well. Now add salt, add asafoetida, add cumin, add sesame seeds and mix well. Now add water little by little and make it into a dough. Just apply oil to the dough superficially. Grease the safe maker. Also grease the disc. You'll have to use the disc with single hole for making murukku. Now heat the oil in a pan. Fill the dough into the safe maker and tighten it. By the time, grease the slotted spoon with oil to avoid the dough from sticking to it. Reverse the slotted spoon and start making round shapes by rotating the safe maker containing dough. Take your own time and do it gently. Once the oil in the pan gets heated, gradually release it to the oil. Let it cook. When it changes its color, flip it so that the other side also gets cooked well. Now shift it to a strainer. Now the crispy murukku is ready. If you love to have it spicy, you can add some more chilli powder to the dough and mix well. Fill it in the safe maker. And start making it in the slotted spoon as mentioned earlier. Gradually release it to the oil. Let it cook. Once it changes its color, turn it so that the other side also gets cooked well. Now shift it to a strainer. Now the crispy murukku is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Try this out and share us the images of your murukku to the email ID given in the description box.